Bike check 2014, end of the year, December, I think 22nd. Anyways, start off with the back with a Odyssey Hawk tire, 2.1, nope, 2.2 actually. Anyways, Odyssey quadrant rim, laced to a Odyssey V3 hub. We'll get a sound for you in a second. And then onto the Primo alloy hub guard with a Stalwart thermalite peg, plastic. And then onto the drive, we got an Odyssey Bluebird chain with a 28 tooth tree OG sprocket. Go a little bit faster, you know. Got a United Nash 48 spline set up, all the way hollow. I don't know if you can see that, but Shadow Ravenger PC pedals. Then onto the seat post, we got a Fit one, nothing special, and then a Sunday seat post with a Market seat, super worn out. Hopefully getting a new one soon. Onto the front, we have a Shadow Valor which is 2.4 lace, not lace, but with a Black Sheep, which is laced to a Mission Stalwart. It's just female, nothing special, with a G Sport hub guard MK3, just laces to the spokes with another stolen thermalite. Then to the Sunday freeze stem, splattered black, originally just fire truck red. And then we have the Snafu headset, just red, with the S&M Hoder Bars, with ODI Longneck Grips. And then Odyssey Par Ends, red. Both red, they should be red and black, but oh well. And then Subrosa Forks, splattered red. Then we have the 21-inch Sunday Rooster frame, made for dirt, 74-degree head tube. And then just all splattered red. I decided to do that just because I like red. With the cool wishbone in the back. Oh, and we have a Primo bottom bracket, nothing special.